Phaeton, the son of Apollo, wishing to be like his father, attaches 4 rams to a cart and makes a mock-up of a chariot. He strings white flowers through the wheels. These may be white poppies or lilies. The association with the Emperor, key 4 of the tarot, and Justice, key 11, relate to the ascending and descending sun. Besides astrological associations, this signifies a continuous development of man's potentially immortal soul. Phaeton eventually convinces his father Apollo to give him control of the chariot of the sun for a day. Alas, he is unable to control the wild horses pulling it, and he plunges to his death. This death is not an actual death, but a symbolic one. It is an underworld initiation. Phaeton's death eventually brings rebirth as he falls into the underworld and emerges reborn as a divine child, Pluton, the bringer of wealth. The association between Phaeton and Pluton does not appear openly in Greek myth, but it is a logical association in terms of the symbolism of the mysteries. One could insert any number of similar characters and have a story that has been told repeatedly in numerous ways so that the spiritual legomenism may be imparted. Though the poem imparts many symbolic images, the rams spoken of appear on the Emperor card, key 4 of the tarot. They represent the hypocephaly of the Egyptian mythology, holding up the throne of God. The use of the throne or chariot in ancient esoteric art often seems interchangeable. Similar stories had different characters driving the chariot or different animals pulling it, but we must understand the imagery's true purpose. Phaeton's sisters were the 3 Hyliades, daughters of the lunar queen at Neaera. The 3 sisters' names were Phaethusa, meaning the shining one, Lampetia, the illuminator, and Aegle, the bright one. It is said that the Hyliades were the guiding lights of Phaeton as he pulled his chariot. They symbolize the 3 brains mentioned earlier, as well as his daemons or guiding spirits or angels. They oversee his passage to the underworld. They illuminate his way as he goes into the unknown darkness of initiation. Daemons are spirits of all sorts, but they are particularly related to man's spiritual development. Each man has his own spirits that accompany him from birth. This was the belief of the Greeks initiated into the sacred schools. Christian lore is familiar with the term demon, a transliteration of the Greek word daemon. The concept of the Greek daemon may have more often been the opposite of Christian lore. The term agathodaemon was a good spirit, a manifestation of Hermes or the force of Mercury itself. Daemon was a general term for a spirit, not defined as either good or bad. Thanks for watching. Go to my project page at kundaliniquicksilver.com to find out how you can get this book and the tarot deck as a free gift. Like and subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram, Quicksilver Astrology. Thanks.